It's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the Asian range. Today is August 18th, 2025. I'm currently short in Bitcoin. Also have a limit order out for a long. So I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here to go short. First here on the daily chart, may be difficult to see now. Let me zoom out. Here. So because it's right in line with the Fibonacci retracement, it may be tricky to see, but there's a red line right here. That's a liquidity level from last month here on the daily that was swept here. So there was buy-side liquidity resting up here that's now been swept out. So now my bias overall or market-wide is to the short side to at least target the sell-side liquidity at this level and below equilibrium here for the overall dealing range that I have up for the daily chart. Within that, today on the 60-minute chart over here, there's a market structure shift where you're seeing this blue dotted line right here. There's a market structure shift, and then this Fibonacci retracement is highlighting this area, but I'll remove the Fibonacci retracement to see more detail on what happened here price action wise. Then I'll go into the 15-minute for a little more detail. But here, as I mentioned, you get this market structure shift here. Slide it over a bit. So you get this market structure shift here with this level here. It gets closed above. And this here, this sell candle right here being the order block that was put in. And then economic news came out at 8 o'clock. So that's right here in this candle right here. So order block, news, and then buy side delivery here, fair value gap put in here, and then you can see the overall range that I had in. And I'll put the retracement back up. And then here on the 15-minute up here, you can see this is that order block candle that's right here. This is represented right here. So I'm waiting for pullback to this order block, which is in conjunction with the 62% level here on the Fibonacci retracement for an optimal trade entry. And then currently I'm short in a trade trying to take an entry into this long position. So this long position I actually missed this morning on lower time frames, even though it was on the 60-minute. I did have an opportunity to get an entry, but I think this entry that I'm going for now is more sound. And the trade that I'm currently in now, my stop loss is back here, just above this swing high of this fair value gap series of candles here, and my take profit is right here, where this there's going to be sell side liquidity resting right below this low. We're near target right now, and I took this trade based on this order block right here. So there's an order block right here. When contact was made with that, actually I entered early. When contact was made with that order block right here, where you're seeing these wicks just above the Fibonacci retracement here, that's when price action reached into that and traded into that order block to the buy side. Then I took these entries here. And trading to that, as I mentioned, this sell side liquidity resting right here just before my optimal trade entry here. and approaching target currently, and also approaching potential entry here. And there's target reached here. And we'll see what kind of delivery we get here. If there's continued delivery down into this dealing range. So this is my dealing range currently. And then the overall dealing range, you could say, would be both of these Fibonacci retracements, since I was able to use this retracement here based on this price action. And now just took an optimal trade entry here. So I'll move this up. This optimal trade entry, as I mentioned, in conjunction with this bullish order block right here. We can see price consolidating here at my entry. And then for this trade, you can see here my stop loss. My stop loss is just below this low here. So this is the order block series that I was mentioning previously here. So my low is just below this, and you probably can't see it, but there's exactly one of these levels that are here because this order block low is also the low for this session here, which is the New York AM session for today, which is Monday. And then for target, I'll just move this out of the way so you can see the candle here. And for target, actually I'll back this up here on the 50-minute. For target, I'm targeting yesterday's high. So these orange lines that you're seeing here on the 60-minute, these orange lines here, these are daily dividers based on midnight New York. So taking this position here is based off of this liquidity level here. So there was sell side liquidity resting below this level here. And you can see in this area, this was swept out here during the session this morning. So now my bias is to the buy side, and my next target is the liquidity from yesterday resting right here, which you can see my take profit is right in line with. So if all goes well, I'll be able to reach target. And then after that, with this market structure shift here on the daily chart, be looking for pullback probably up into this area here. And then for a potential leg down, as I mentioned, for the monthly low here. But we'll see how price action plays out. So far so good on my trade. On my short trade into this trade, and so far this trade is looking pretty good here. But if you like what you see and you'd like to know more, feel free to visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade smart, trade safe,